Hello friends, welcome to pennos.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Uniball Shalaku 0.5 mechanical pencil, a pink color one. And this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on the pen because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. Here it is a Uniball brand's mechanical pencil. The brand's name Uni is mentioned here. And in Uni it is a Shalaku model, and that is also mentioned in this white color clip portion. And the tip point means the lead size 0.5 is mentioned in the top of this clip. There is two mechanical pencils like 0.5 and 0.7, and with 2 mm also, 1 mm also is there, but in this thin lead is number 5.5, and it is made in Japan. It is also mentioned in the top portion. And here it is a transparent view. You can find a lead inside this. It is a spare lead. If the lead here it empties, it will come out automatically. And it is a leather, means a rubber finish one. And here there is a button like structure. This is the pressing portion for this lead to come out. If you give a pressure here, if you press once, the lead will move a little bit outer. And if you want to take this lead out, you can hold this portion and you can easily take this out. And if you want to insert this, you have to again hold this tightly and gently insert this. If you do this gently, it is a easy thing. And here there is a thread like structure in which you can find the lead inside. And yeah, let me show you the writing of this. A very smooth writing one, means the sharpness gives a very enthusiastic feeling to write a lot. And some will like the pencils to be in very sharp tip. They can highly recommend mechanical pencils like this. And you can use this pen for a long time by using the leads alone, by changing the leads alone. And in the back side there is a cap. It is an eraser, and with this you can rub it easily. Yeah. If you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.